Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elena. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support. I really appreciate your support. I'm here because of you guys, those who are returning here. Yeah, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, please. So on today's video, I'll be talking about I'll be reviewing M-gas. Siko na hapa sahi, but I think some of you have it. I got a comment earlier that I should do a better version ya kuonesha how to operate it. So I did, and this is how to operate the M-gas token gas from Safaricom. So take your card, alafu place here. You press this button. You wait for that sound and then you press again. You wait for the second sound to washe, but now your second sound haikuji because hapa iko off. Sasa hiyo ndo a mistake that most people make. You have to put this on first of all. Jikikuwa off, it won't do. And then you put your card and then you press that button. To make that sound, and then you press it again to make the second sound. Then you come here and unaiasha, and that's it. There is the motto. It's not something hard. Now that you have seen how to operate it, let's get to it. So I have been using the M-gas from Safaricom for a period of 5 months, but so far nimetumia 1 month ndo nimetumia consistently. So I have written down the amount that I've been putting in, but still I recorded I screen recorded niki scroll through. I'll just add the video there and then you'll see it for yourself. So far I've used 2,811 bob since nianze kuitumia until vile imeisha. So guys, since I started using the M-gas token, I have used 2,811 from the cylinder that I was given first. Hiyo nilianza nayo tu, the first one. I've used 2,811. Now I have the second cylinder, but nilisema I'll come here when the gas is over and tell you how much I've used. So niyo 2811. Hiyo it's a total of the amount I've used na transaction cost. Transaction cost, I used to put 250, 300 hapo tu sikuwa nenda more, and the transaction cost was 17 bob. And then I realized if I put 100 bob, haikati anything. So since then I've been just adding 100 bob, yeah, like that. You see how I wrote. So if you pay, I'll add another video showing you how to find that amount to reflect in your card after you have paid. I'll put the video now. Hapa guys, as you see me doing, you just place your card and then hata ukilipa M-gas inakuletea message ikikwambia upress for 5 seconds ndio pesa iapie hapo. So you just place your card, alafu you press just like blue naasha ilie that sound ya kwanza, and then you press again for 5 seconds, alafu tuna hiyo kitu kama network imeanza kuonesha hapo. Itafanya hivyo, ita go through those things hapo juu until ikuweke hiyo mark ya check, tutajua imeingia, alafu ioneshe hapo odo yenye umeweka, and then you're good to go. So that's how you do it. You press the button for 5 seconds and then you wait for the for the system to take up hiyo. Yeah, so far I've been using hiyo, sijaona sioni kama ni pesa nyingi because it's 2811. Maybe ingekuwa like kitambo when gas was 22 25 hapo, it would have been more. But again, hizo gas zikikuja, they come with different kgs. Like for the last time yangu ilikuwa imeandikwa kwa that cylinder 11.9 kgs, but nimeletewa recently imeandikwa 12.9 kgs. So I don't know if those kgs ni hiyo gas iko ndani or I don't know. Yeah, so I'll say the gas is good. It's good. Ina help wakati your other gas maybe meisha and you do not have that money to pay. It saves you. It has really saved me big time wakati I didn't have the money to pay for the other gas. Now hii neka tu so and then I use it. But I'll advise, if you can afford more, you can put more. Usiko neka in bits juu inaisha haraka. Maybe ulieka jana and today you have to put again. So yeah, those are the challenges that I have passed through. So I'll say advantages of it, niyo too, you can put any amount that you have. You don't have to have the 3,000 so that you can go and refill it. Yeah, that's the advantage. The advantage, it's because it uses that card, so at least iko secure. It's secure from the kids. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Disadvantages zake is like our gas, it went off when we were cooking supper. Thank God we had finished cooking, and it was like 10 ya usiku, and I had to call the guy mwenye aliniletea to inform him that the gas is over and he needs to bring another one. Meaning, he said that our system ilikuwa inatuma false information. From his side, he was saying that we still had the gas, and from our side, we didn't have it. So I had to call him to inform him that we do not have a gas ndio alete. And even after bringing, ilisha kama jana usiku, and then he brought like today around 2 p.m. So hapo naweza sema it's not reliable wakati imeisha, because maybe imeisha wakati you're cooking and you don't have any other means of continuing to cook. Before ikuje, it takes hours again. So that's the disadvantage, I would say. And then the other one, every time that I have to place a card, ndo niashe, ndo I cook, maybe I'm in a hurry, I need to do something faster, and there you have to put on a card, wash it, sometimes ikatae. A disadvantage, as I was saying, my phone went off. Ni ati wakati you're in a hurry, you can't hurry, you need that card, put, uanze kuwasha, maybe sometimes it doesn't work, yani it's inaacha tu. There was a time back, ilikataa kuwaka, so I thought that gas imeisha, alafu nilikuwa nimepoteza namba ya the person who brought, so ikabidi we refill our other gas. Ndio sasa baadaye akakuja akaniambia, you have not been using your gas, what's up? Na nikamwambia, I lost your number and the gas ilikataa kuwaka, I don't know what happened. Kumbe the battery was it was over, the battery was flat and it needs to be recharged. I didn't know it has a battery inside. I thought it recharges itself, but it doesn't. Kuna time itakata kuwaka, you think that maybe haina pesa ama something's up with it, but maybe sasa hiyo beta imeisha. Yeah, sasa hiyo ndio disadvantage niliona juu ilika like 3 days ndio kakuja sasa kuichange. They said that they used to give people your beta, they change for themselves, but at some point ilienda ikablow. Kuna manyumba ziliblowiwa na azinili when the clients were changing themselves walifanya mistake alafu ika boom. Yeah, so that's all. I think something else I might be forgetting. I think that's all. Maybe when I continue using it, I will know more and then I'll come to tell you. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to comment down below. And when you do comment, please be kind. Be kind. Sende tu hapo unacha comment. Mtu anaangalia na feel tu ako hurt. Be kind when you leave those comments, kwa sababu even us, we are human beings just like you. That will be it for today. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.